All right, you guys, so I had to do a quick haul real quick, because a quick Target haul real quick, because I did spend quite some money, but I spent $150, and at first I was like, girl, that's a lot of money. Don't mind my hair. Today's hair day for me and my daughter. I'm gonna look cute tomorrow, don't worry. But the skin is skinning. Let's get into the skin. I've been like on my skincare routine, and my skin looks so good. I'm so happy about it. Anyway, so what made me even go to Target, I was like, it's that time of the year. It's getting warmer. Your girl's hygiene needs some extra TLC. Cause today I was out and I'm like, girl, you smell a little sweaty, a little funky. You need some. I smell, when you can smell yourself, and I probably don't even stink because nobody else has told me I stink. Like, nobody has said to me, like, not even my husband, he didn't say, yo, go take a shower. Because he'll tell me, like, go take a shower. You smell a little sweaty, you a little funky. But I can smell myself. And if I can smell myself, that's not okay. I got this cute little basket to put all my stuff in. I originally went there for a good body wash. I use Dial as like my antibacterial soap, and that's what I use to like cleanse my body, and it works the best on my skin. But then I needed something on top of it that's gonna make me smell good. So I got this ivory. Look how big this bottle is, y'all. Look how big it is. $5.99, and it smells so good. It smells, you smell so fresh and clean. I can't wait to take a shower. Like, I can't wait. Sorry, my husband's playing the game. He's so annoying. He always gonna be so loud. So then I had to find a lotion to go with it, so that way I don't lose the smell. And this was the best one that matches it. Pomegranate and raspberry. Got this. Y'all, I've been trying to get my hands on one of these. It's not this one, but this one is the sugar wax roller. I wanted the regular wax one, but nobody ever has it in store. I know Walmart and Target carry it, but you always got to order it online, and I'm so impatient. I like to go get it the same day I see it. I was so happy when I saw this. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on how good this stuff is. And it was only $6.99. This wasn't the one I was looking for, but I feel like this is the only other brand that I could use that I typically don't use this stuff because I don't need it. Once I use my Dial soap in my lady parts, I'm good. Only in the winter time though. The summertime though, I need that extra. So I got this because this is the only other stuff that doesn't irritate me down there, and it doesn't knock off my pH balance. So I use this brand. This Sensodyne, I've been wanting to try this because I feel like Colgate's not doing it. Colgate is just not doing it. My teeth are just not white like I want them to be. And I don't want to go bleaching my teeth because bleaching is not good. And I don't want to use the whitening strips because those aren't good for you either. They will weaken your enamel and they make your teeth sensitive, and I don't want that because I feel like ever since I had kids, my teeth are already kind of sensitive. It's so weird. So I'm like, I don't need nothing else messing me up. So I got this Sensodyne, and with this I got, of course, the TheraBreath. Got this. And then I got these tongue scrapers, disposable. I've never heard of this brand, but it's called Grin. And I thought the packaging was cute. I got Grin, and then I got the flossers. So I got those. It was like while I was at it. And then Target has this promo going right now that for every 4 items you buy that are like self-care, it's select though, so make sure you have the app and you're scanning, because some of the stuff didn't apply, but I bought so much that I was able to get 2 $5 gift cards, which was $10. So I did save $10, kinda. So then while I was in that aisle, I was like, I might as well get my daughter her own floss, get her into the good habit of flossing. And then I got her a new toothbrush, a electric toothbrush. She's due for a new one. And then what else did I get? I got these Biore strips because I haven't done this in a while, and I know I have some whitehead, blackheads there. Then these were on sale. Sorry, I'm going from bag to bag because it's like, so these were on sale, I don't know why, for $1.94, and we always need Band-Aids, and my daughter loves the character ones, so we got some Band-Aids. And then I'm trying this. I don't know why this was on clearance. There was only like 2 of them that were on clearance, and then the rest of them weren't. So I obviously got the one on clearance. This is the Neutrogena Hydro. They covered up the wording on it. Hydro Boost Water Gel. And this is supposed to This is like a moisturizer, and I wanted to try this because I don't know if you could tell, but I wiped my face, so you probably can't tell. But all I did was put on lotion on my face this morning, and my face was so oily by the time I got back home. I was like, this is insane. And it's not even, we haven't, what is it? We're at the end of April, we're going into May. New York is not even that hot right now. We have a little bit of nice weather, maybe in the high 60s, and my skin is already like oil. Like, it's crazy. It's not even that hot out, and my skin is already getting super oily. So I wanted to try this. I really wanted to try the Kiehl's brand, but I saw this and I was like, let me just try this because this is cheaper and it might work just as good. So I got that. And then I got this for my daughter because the weather's starting to change and it's getting nicer out. It's a little bit warmer, and she's been like having a flare up. The doctor said she doesn't have eczema, but I feel like he said she does but doesn't. It's like she has patches of eczema, but it's not like all over her body. And so she's been having flare-ups lately on her face and on her skin, and she could only use Dove and Dial. Those are the only two soaps that I can use on her body, and she will not break out. And so I saw this. Dove has this soothing relief for eczema prone skin. Hopefully it works on her good, and it is fragrance free. She can't use anything with fragrance in it. Also got her the sippy cup because she loves to drink what she loves water. And so she doesn't know how to drink out of a straw, so I got her this one, and it's supposed to be the one that doesn't spill. So I got her this cup. And then I got pink Himalaya salt. Is mad random, but I got this because we're going to be drinking a lot more water. It's getting warmer, and I know they say to like sprinkle this a little bit in your water to help with like the electrolytes and to keep you hydrated. And it's supposed to also help, like when you drink a whole bunch of water, you don't want it to just flush out of you completely. You want it to retain in your body so you can stay hydrated. So that's supposed to help you not lose all like your vitamins and minerals. Apparently that's what I saw on the internet, so we're gonna try it. And then my daughter always loses goggles, and you know what, let me check to make sure that I was supposed to check that to make sure they were $7.99. Let me look, because if they weren't, they're going back. Okay, they were $7.99. She loses her goggles every year, and she's gonna be in swimming lessons, 2 different swimming classes. And she's going to be at the pool a lot, so she's going to need goggles. She lost her other pair. I don't know what she did with them. $7.99, not bad for the Speedo brand. That was it for in there. And then Heyday. First of all, why are headphones so expensive? Why are they like nothing under $250 for like a nice looking pair of headphones? So I was like, you know what? Let me start small, because your girl can't just be out here blowing through her money. So I was like, I needed some headphones. So I got these Heyday ones. They were on sale for $30. And hopefully they're good. I like this brand. I use their phone cases. I've had their like pod that you sit up on the car when you put your phone on. I don't know what it's called. I've had that. I use this brand pretty often. So I'm like, the headphones probably are pretty good. So I trust them. So I got these headphones because I'm going to be working out, and my earpods, I can't stand them because they fall out of my ear. So I want it over the head, especially if I'm going to be working out. I don't want anything coming off. So got these for my workout. Maybe this will help motivate me to really start working out. But yeah, I feel like I got a lot of stuff for $140 because I got a $10 gift card. So for $140, y'all, I got a lot of stuff. Like, look at all this stuff. $140, and I still got a whole bunch of stuff down here. But yeah, that's it. That's my haul. See you guys in my next one.